Today we're making cheesy Korean-style ribs, and this might be better than your favorite restaurant. Let's start with a marinade you really can't mess up. Korean chili paste, the base of all the flavor. Soy sauce. Shaoxing wine. Honey to balance the heat. Splash of rice vinegar. Sesame oil. Paprika for color and a light smokiness. And some black pepper. Now for the fresh ingredients: apple, onion, and garlic. And here is the key: a small piece of pineapple. It naturally tenderizes meat and makes a big difference. Add everything into a blender with a bit of water. Blend until completely smooth. That's your marinade. Now for the ribs. Remove the membrane and cut into sections. Pour the marinade over and mix well. Make sure every piece is coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. If you got more time, even better. Heat a pan over medium-high heat with some oil. Lay the ribs in one layer, don't overcrowd the pan. Sear just until color changes. They'll finish cooking in the sauce. Now pour in the remaining sauce and bring it into a boil. Cover and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Take the lid off. Turn up the heat slightly. Let the sauce reduce until thick and glossy. Now for the best part. Move the ribs to one side. Sprinkle on some sesame seeds. Add mozzarella to the other side. Cover and let it melt. Finish with a little parsley. You get tender ribs, a rich sticky sauce, and melted cheese all in one bite. If you like recipes like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.